Solve the system of equations by using the addition method. So we have here the following equations. 6x minus 9y equals to 15. And then we have the next equation. Negative 2x plus 3y is equal to 1. Alright, so using the addition method, which is also called the elimination method, it says here, write the equations one under the other so that the like terms are aligned. So let's go ahead and write the equation. I'm going to rewrite both equations. And then it says we're going to eliminate one variable, get rid of that. Now it says multiply both sides or one or both equations by an appropriate number so that the coefficient of one variable are opposites. Okay, so let's explain. Look at the variable term of x. You have 6x, you have negative 2x. Now, whenever we're looking at the addition method, we're looking for something where, if I can find opposites to that, okay? Well, the x's, you have an opposite. We'll talk about the coefficient, but just look at your x. You got an x, 6x, and you got the negative 2x. That's a positive and negative, as well as the y. You got a minus 9y, we can say negative 9y, and a positive 3y. Now, it's up to you which variable you want to get rid of. Okay, it can be the x or it can be the y. Okay, now because it's the first thing that I see, the x, let's get rid of the x. Now, in order for us to get rid of the variable x, we have to have the same coefficient. Okay, so we want to multiply, either we can multiply both equations or we can multiply only one equation. Well, here we just need to multiply just the second equation. We want this negative 2x to become at least 6x, and we know it's still going to be negative. So what must we multiply the second equation by? Well, we're going to multiply it by 3. And you have to do it on both sides. Multiply it to every term. So now, here we go. Here's your first equation, 6x minus 9y is equal to 15. Take the 3 and distribute to each term. We have negative 6x plus 9y is equal to 3. So our goal is to get rid of the x. So the x's are gone. But then you would, if possible, add the y's. But as we look at the y's, they're opposites of one another too. So that's going to cancel out. So we're not going to leave the left side blank. We have to leave something. So we're going to say, or the something is 0. But let's add 15 and 3. We have 18. Now let's look at what we have here. 0 is equal to 18. Well, we know that 0 will never equal to a number. Therefore, this is not a solution. So if this is not a solution, think about it. If you were to graph this, if you don't have a solution to this, then what type of line would this be? This would actually be a parallel line because they're not intersecting at all. So we would say no solution. That's our choice. Or not choice, but that's our answer.